Patron, take them away.
Okay, guys, just gone to market basically for Milky and the squad. Let me flick this over and I'll kind of explain it. I'll kind of show where it came from. You're not wrong there, Marcel. You are definitely not wrong. In the trade ideas this morning, I put this in, and this is the strengths, and you can see euros at the top, and the CAD that we're looking at is actually very weak, and they are poles apart here, showing that there's going to be good movement. And then what did I say? Oh, euro CAD, blah blah blah, and I always feel obliged to help, so that's exactly what I did. I broke the chart down here, so full markup, what's going on, what I expect from it. Dropped in the scruffy bias, which is this, and what it's showing me is it's pretty good for a buy, and I'm looking for about 8 pips. It's telling me for an 8 pip target, or an 8 pip minimum target anyway. So I entered on this red line and the spread pushed it up to here. And I'm targeting the next barrier, which is here, which is 9.4, which is minimum target plus. In other words, the next barrier past the minimum target. Quite happy with that. Now, does this translate into anything? Well, of course it does. If I push it out into the hourly, you can see it's been a huge drive here, consolidation, and it's breaking the top of here. So the extension of one of these moves that I was looking at is here, and that's what we're targeting, and we're just going to run the trade straight into it. And then as soon as it's paid, take your money and run. It's that simple, guys. It really is that simple. Now, if you step it out one step further into a +1 situation, you can see that is pushing up aggressively, and it's got all of this move here to fill up. Now, if I was to draw a fib on this, you can see it started here, and this particular fib locked in down there. That 61 is the buying point, which we were talking about, because it's the same level, and then you've got various levels on its way up into it. Now, I just want to get in and get out because it's Monday morning and things can be a little bit tricky on a Monday morning. I'm going to get out at the first barrier. Okay, that's it. That's the trade. Dead simple. Drop it into 5 minutes and I'll let you watch it out. Okay, Milky, that's for you. It's just completely hit the target. If I pull down sort of my other account so you can see it, it's running in there as well. And I'm about to probably shut that out as we speak. Okay, Okay, so let's have a look, see what's been going on. So that's me completely out, and there you are, 47 quid, which is about 9 pips, and it's stopped dead on it. So I'm going to close the other one out as well. Kaboom. Happy days. Everyone's a winner. Everyone's a winner. So what's the moral of the story here? I had a plan and I stuck to it. Nothing more than that. Get in here, get out there, and I was prepared to average in on these levels down here. That's it. That was the plan. So it was a very quick and easy one today. It's really just to show you that these things are feasible. And also, I just wanted to help the guys in the squad. Simple as that. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.